Alright folks, this is a new Furtify prototype. It's a immune system booster and anti-allergy. Blueberry flavored. Blueberry and coconut, I think. Time to test. I know. Be patient. Hard to open a package with only one hand. Come on, you. You're such a good boy. Such a good boy. Blueberry very much indeed. Time to... he dropped it. But now he's eating it. Has his face turned away from me, as if he doesn't want me to try to share it. Surely you can't possibly want more. Well, he seems to like the fruit flavor. Good boy. That's the end of that test.